Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what to do with a 12 weight thread? Most sewers are pretty accustomed to sewing with a 40 or 50 weight thread, but they don't realize what a bold and beautiful 12 weight thread will do to enhance their project. So today I'm going to show you 10 ways to use a 12 weight thread. Number 1. Thread painting. 12 weight threads are a fantastic choice for thread painting for a few reasons. Because the thread is thicker, you can actually cover more area with less thread, making it a lot more efficient to thread paint with a 12 weight thread. In addition, you'll also find that the thread sits a little higher from the fabric. This gives a bolder, more textured effect to your project than using a medium weight thread. Number 2. Cross stitching. These threads are thick enough for cross stitching projects, especially when you want to use a fabric or fiber with a finer weave. In this project, we use spaghetti and fruity 12 weight cotton threads, which pull smoothly through the fabric due to their ultra low lint finish. Number 3. Machine embroidery. 40 weight threads are the standard when it comes to machine embroidery, but you can create a new look by using 12 weight thread in your embroidery machine. If you have a larger design or a line stitch design that isn't too intricate, a 12 weight thread will show the pattern much more boldly. Your pattern will show off better due to the thicker thread. Number 4. Hand embroidery. If you love doing hand embroidery and sometimes split the strands of a heavier thread to make a finer thread, you can achieve the same results by simply using a 12 weight thread. Splitting the strands of a thick thread can weaken the thread, while also giving it a lintier look. Instead of doing this, try using a 12 weight thread, which is comparable in size to an 8 weight thread that's been split in half. This way you won't damage the thread and you'll keep your stitches looking clean and beautiful. Number 5. Decorative stitching. The decorative stitches built into most sewing machines offer a perfect way to utilize 12 weight threads for fun, standout stitches. They're perfect for decorating any project. Whether you're embellishing a stocking for your family, adding a small decorative line of stitching to a piece of clothing, or embellishing any quilt or table runner. A 12 weight thread will give every decorative stitch a little more emphasis than a regular medium weight thread. Just choose a stitch that is not too dense for the best results. Number 6. Needle punch. A needle punch is a tool that can be used to create incredible texture effects, and it works best with a thicker thread like 12 weight. Depending on how you use the tool, you can either make dense loops or weave back and forth to fill in a space. This is a fantastic way to add a unique look to any project. Number 7. Big stitch hand quilting. 12 weight is one of the best threads to use for big stitch hand quilting because the thick thread really stands out against the fabric. You'll also find it easier to handle a 12 weight thread versus a medium weight thread, as it is less delicate and sits better in a wide running stitch. Number 8. Machine quilting and long arm quilting. If you're not afraid of bold stitches that show off, a 12 weight thread is the perfect choice for quilting. 12 weight is actually the thickest thread you can put through the eye of a machine needle, so you can guarantee a bold, beautiful look because the thread adds another dimension of texture and color. Number 9. Red work. Red work is a form of American embroidery that traditionally uses red thread and basic stitches to decorate household items. It can be completed with a simple backstitch following a traced pattern to create motifs that can decorate anything from dishcloths to quilts to cushion covers. A 12 weight thread stands out beautifully against white fabric, making it ideal for outlining patterns. Number 10. Sachiko. Sachiko is a Japanese embroidery technique that uses a simple running stitch to create a beautiful geometric pattern or imagery. Traditionally, they use white thread on an indigo dyed fabric, but these days you can use any color you like. Sachiko can be done by hand using a running stitch and a long hand embroidery or Sachiko needle. However, you can also purchase a Sachiko machine, which replicates the look of a hand stitch. There are a lot of different techniques you can use 12 weight thread for, but how do you choose the right thread for the job? Well, it really depends on the look and feel you're going for. Spaghetti and Fruity are both long staple Egyptian cotton threads in a 12 weight. They have been double gassed for an ultra low lint finish, so your stitches will look clean and pull smoothly through all kinds of fabrics and fibers. They also cause much less lint buildup when sewing with a machine. Choose this thread if you want the matte look that cotton brings. Accent is a 12 weight rayon thread. In comparison to cotton, rayon is much glossier and reflective to light, making it a great choice for any stitching that you want a little more shine. However, because rayon is weakened when exposed to water, we recommend using it only for decorative elements, such as in a wall quilt or a project that won't be frequently washed. Another option for rayon is Glamour, a 12 weight rayon that has a strand of metallic running through it. The pop of metallic is great for adding a little glitz to any project. You'll have the glossy shine of the metallic paired with a little sparkle from the reflective metallic thread running through it. Tell us in the comments below how you've used a 12 weight thread, and let us know what you'd like to see in a future video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for more great tips every Friday. We'll see you all next time.